Imagine transforming a simple script into a polished voiceover with just a few clicks. Say hello to SpeakPerfect, your go-to AI for flawless audio narration. Getting started is easy. Click on text-to-speech, enter your script, and then hit Rewrite. Watch as SpeakPerfect AI refines your script into something even better. Click Generate Audio and preview your new voiceover.
Ready to master Python? Let's jump right in. Python is a versatile and powerful language, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. First things first, head over to python.org and install Python.
If everything sounds just right, go ahead and click Download to save your work. But the magic doesn't stop there. Upload an audio file and watch as SpeakPerfect analyzes it and generates a refined script based on what it hears. Want to make it even better? Click Rewrite to enhance the script further. When you are ready, click Generate Audio for the final touch. Preview it.
Imagine a world where your daily tasks are effortlessly automated with the power of AI tools. Let's kick things off with Grammarly, your trusty sidekick for error-free writing, whether you're crafting emails or whipping up reports.
And if it's spot on, click Download to complete your project. SpeakPerfect makes creating flawless voiceovers as simple as a few clicks. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.